Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you are a business owner or just starting your brand, this video is for you. Let's be honest, branding is hard, right? The logo, the color, the website look, social media design, it takes time and money. But today I want to show you a tool that makes it simple. It's called Branding5. And yes, there is a lifetime deal going on, so stick with me till the end of this video. Also, check the description for the latest link and deal information. I always keep it up to date. Alright, what is Branding5? Branding5 is an online branding tool that helps you to build a full brand kit in minutes. You answer a few questions like your business name, business type, your vibe, like is it a modern, fun, or classy, and the AI will give you a logo, color, font style, and templates. Everything you need to look professional just in one place. No need to hire a designer, no need to search Pinterest for color ideas. Branding5 gives you ready-made brand kits and you can edit them however you want. You can download your logo, use your colors for Instagram or website and stay consistent every time. That's how real brand grow. Now, what is the price of the Branding5? Normally, branding tools charge a monthly fees or cost hundreds of dollars for a designer. But Branding5 gives you lifetime access for a one-time purchase. No subscription, no stress. So if you are a small business owner or you are building a personal brand, this tool can save you a lot of time and money. Also, it's very easy to use, no design skills needed. You just click and choose what looks good. If you are tired of guessing how your brand should look or paying other to do it, try Branding5. It gives you control and confidence in your business image. Please check the description below to get the link and see the lifetime deal. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.